Hey YouTube, Freddy back again with another video. In this video we're actually going to be working on the Mustang again, and we're going to be installing lights down here. Not a fan of this lights, the orange lights in there, so we actually got some Switchback LED lights. They'll be white light, and then when I turn the turn signal on, they will switch to the orange light. So we'll go ahead and install that, and first we gotta get in here, so we gotta take this clips out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera so you guys can see the process. Just wanted you guys to see, these are the Switchback turn signals I got. We're gonna go ahead and install these. You can see it comes with the big ones. That's your main light, as well as your turn signal, and then these are just the side markers that are also on the bottom of the light there. I'll show you later. Alright guys, so really all you need is a little pick or screwdriver. You want to get in here, and it comes right out. Like so. Then I got this other tool here that I'm just gonna use it to kind of help me pull this back. There's one more over here. There you go. Alright, let me reposition you guys. Alright guys, just wanted to show you in here. So as you can see, those two wires there, the top one, the top two, those are the ones you want to pull out, and those are the ones that hold the regular lights, and we just need to take those out. So we're gonna take that one out first, and then that one. So there's just a little button there. So you just gotta twist it counterclockwise. And as you can see, it's just an amber bolt, regular bolt. So we just gotta take that out. So this just pulls out. And then just grab your new one and slide it in there. Alright. And we should be able to just go back in here. And turn it. And then install the wire back. Grab the other one. Just counterclockwise as well. And you guys can't see that. Hold on a second. There. So it's just an orange bulb. So we'll take that out. Alright, so all you gotta do is pull out the bolt. Sorry. Okay. Grab your new one. And as you can see, it's bigger.
So we're just gonna go ahead and push it in, and from my understanding it doesn't matter which way it goes in. And then just go back, push it through. And then turn it clockwise, lock in place. That should be it. So that's one done. Let's go ahead and look at the light. So as you can see, well, alright, so as you can see, now you don't get that orange glow, and then when you turn your, so that's kind of how that works. You get that orange light, and then it turns back to clear. And over here, you get both orange lights. So we got to change this side, but we got to spin the wheels back the other way. So I think this looks so much better. Let me go ahead and move on to the next step though. So the next step really is you just gotta put your clips back in there. All right guys, just one more thing. Make sure that it's like that. Okay, push it in and then clip it in place like that. All right guys, so we're on to the next side, and I'm gonna see if I can get in here. All right, there's one, there's two, and then again, don't forget there's one just up here. There's the lamp just hanging right there, and we gotta get the other one out. So just wanted you to see that it's really easy setup to do. One of the drawbacks to this is when you put your turn signal on, you get this like double turn signal. It could be a little annoying, I guess. We'll see if it bothers me a lot or not. I think you can get the resistors connector cable you gotta get for like 15 bucks. So I may end up getting those and installing them just so that it blinks normally in here. Out there, it blinks normal. This is it. We're done with the video. If you guys just enjoy knowing how to do all that, you know, give it a thumbs up, and if you want more of my content, please subscribe down below. Just go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions on this Diode dynamic switchback turn signal kit, and if you have any questions, just comment down below and I'll get to you as quickly as I can. And this is something that I really enjoy. I think it looks so much better than the regular lights. So I think this is just a really great mod, but it can be annoying as well because of the double click in the inside of the car. I think it's something that it makes the car look better, and if you guys think it does look better, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Till next time, peace.